Yes. I'm a motherfucking street sweeper with a guy that we just rescued from a bondage joint. This is the aim. I'm stuck! Oh, thank you, fat man!
I win every.
Ow. Auto-tune guy. Why you make funny noises when you die? Woo! Ow! Ow! He killed me! Let me finish him off with some nut shots.
When I get to it.
I crashed into the deck.
I caught a case of the dead. Oh, oops. Street sweeper. It's mine.
Good, I need help.
Everything alright?
If it was alright, if
Dick!
you need help, would
This
I?
is my street sweeper! Oh!
Boxes.
Cement truck.
What boxes?
I'm moving stuff into my place. There are boxes. Some are too heavy for me. I need help. Got it?
I'll be right over.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Whoa!
Someone had better buy me a drink!
No! Stop scaring! No! I wanted to drive that. Oh, Tron car. I want a Tron car. They got out of their car to come kill me. So I got in their car and drove away with it. You coming with me? Ow.
That was fun.
It's my car now. What the fuck? I don't even know. And then I get in and immediately make fun of your driving. We hadn't even moved yet. Helicopter sex party. That's what's going on right now. Helicopter sex party. Get off of me! God damn it, you're gonna kill my helicopter.
Another network building's close by.
That totally makes sense. Physics, how does it work?
These wounds is just what you need.
Get off my nut! My helicopter is beeping at me. Because you just had to have sex with my helicopter.
That's it. I'm tapped into all 3 sites now.
All right, as long as
Get off of me! That's gonna be the name of the video, isn't it? Helicopter sex party.
Save it
Woo!
for the tank.
Shit! I'm not sure if you killed us or if the car exploding did.
Up. Killbane will crush you. But don't worry, I'll chisel you with diamonds
How?
by making you experience the worst pain.
Music.
Now come on. It's time for you to play in traffic.
Right on. Wait, what?
It's time for you to play in traffic. Right on. Wait, what?
Hell was I thinking?
Fraud distance.
This is a bad idea. Hell was I? That's gonna cost you.
The cost card. Yeah!
Hell was I thinking? This is gonna hurt.
the luchadors. You need to be ready for anything.
A fucking tiger?
Don't lose the message in the method. You mastered your fear.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh, fuck.
Just warming up.
What just happened? Oh yeah, you're driving that cop car.
I upgraded this thing so I could detonate vehicles that look right on. This thing is awesome to play
Your reign
around
of
with.
terror is over, Satan.
Ow! Did I just blow up your car with a giant dildo? Is that you controlling that cop car?
No, I'm moving around.
Oh. Because that cop car was very determined to get to me. This is how I go swimming. This is how I go swimming. With my guns. With a rocket launcher. Oh, wait, I don't have a rocket launcher.
Capitalism sucks.
Well, I do, but I don't have ammo for it. Ow.
I'm a children prepared to listen to a group ranked as one of
Will you die already? Fucking hell! Shot to the balls! This guy I've been shooting at. I was shooting him and all that was happening was he was dancing. I was shooting at them. Gangbang. Failed. Okay. Why are you going down? Stop doing that. Maybe I should get my own helicopter. We can have helicopter sex again. Look what you did! This is why we can't have nice things. I'll make my own transportation. I'm coming.
These wheels want me.
That freaking cement truck wanted me to steal it. Did you see that? I tried to jump in this thing and he was like, fuck you. Wait, you can actually hit something so hard that you go flying out in this game? Why did I get out? No! Stop it! Shut up. I'm not doing anything right now. My hands are off the keyboard. I'm trying to. Yes! Shit! Shit! I'm horrible at this! I'm sitting on the wing of my helicopter. Can you see this? Can you see me sitting on the wing of my helicopter? I sound like Lewis from Left 4 Dead. I know. My immediate reaction is to run through here, jump off the balcony, face plant into the crotch of my statue, then run over here, break the window, run. Ah, okay, you're breaking my habit. Then belly flop into the pool. You landed a helicopter in my pool.